Well done to the whole team, guys. Do not fall into the trolls trap, right? No matter how much they can criticize, remember the bigger picture, and we achieved it as a team, all of us. We did a great job. We changed the narrative about Mzansi.
Shout out to Amakrotman, for exam. You guys outdid yourselves. Like, you did your best. Shout out to DJ Sbu, shout out to Unota, and the other influencers, Bafetu Nama YouTubers, wala SA. You guys did your best. Nizamila Bafetu, ukhumbule ukuthi we just had bathi G20 summit. We just had it la eLokuzaneni, a country. And namanye ama-country abhekile ukuthi si South Africa wathakwana. It's kunento engifuna ukunivezela yona. Yabo, so as a country sibhekiwe. And abo DJ Sbu ama legend wala e-country. Yabo, bengikulife ka DJ Sbu makazophuma, makazo driver aye lapha eSoweto ayenza letho yaka show speed yabo. Ushilo ukuthi umele i-country bafethu, and lento le uyenzela i-country. Yabo, of course he's a businessman. Makazoyibona opportunity yokusnika imofire uzofuna ukuyisnika cause ukhumbula ukuthi le stream lesesenza umfana nasibukela umhlaba wonke, yabo. But angikho ra mina into engizama ukuyiveza lana ukuthi ama-Grootman they've tried and balimele izwe, where abamayiziwe or abamayiza mina futhi ngiyazibuza nje ukuthi lento leyo kumayiza isho ukuthini, because Aisha Speed I think i-personality yakhe le yabafethu thina ngoba simjwayelanga sibona ngathi abantu bamayizile, because that guy energy yakhe it's high, ne-aura yakhe it's not easy to comprehend, yabo. So umuntu onjalo man, yabo, umuntu playful, because i2K le la kusasomntwana lo yabafethu, yabo, umuntu playful unyana there and there. So and ama-Grootman akabazi kahle, because sikhuluma ngomuntu wase-US la and la kuse-South Africa bafethu, yabo. Sikhuluma ngomuntu wase-USA la, like umuntu o-famous umhlaba wonke ngokustream. So akabacava ama-Grootman, yabona, bekangazi ukuthi uDJ Sbu ubani. So bekumele amembrace kanjani guys, or bekumele a-react kanjani, or uDJ Sbu naye what was he supposed to do as introduce ecala asho ukuthi mina ngi-legend, ngi-owner i-brand what bafethu. Let's be fair, ama-Grootman they tried khona. Ngiyazi ukuthi it looked embarrassing kithi, yabo, but mina I'm pretty much sure ama-Grootman they not embarrassed, because now they understand ukuthi there's levels to this thing. Umfana no big, yabo, and mawuna pride awuna pride bafethu. More selfless or selfless, people might see you as big, but when inside ukuthi I'm big but there's bigger people. So there's nothing wrong bafethu ngoku-embrace omunye umuntu omkhulu, because he game le
bafethu. Athi ngikhulume ngalento, yazi ukuthi bengithi ngizothula kodwa as i-perfume distributor, as umuntu odayisayo, yabo, oyidayisela ama-perfume, ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento ingasiza abantu abaningi, and iyasithinta sabantu abadayisayo, iyasithinta sabantu abaphantayo, iyasithinta sabantu abafuna ukukhula, babe nama-opportunities like abawatholayo, yabo. So ngiyabona mfethu ngale mpahla le ya ubani u-Aisha Speed no DJ Sbu, kakhulukazi ngifuna ukufocus kuyona, kakhulukazi kuleya DJ Sbu, ukuthi most yabantu they are criticizing uDJ Sbu ngalento yokuthi like, yabo, uleke landela this guy, yabo, lo mfana lo, and umuntu omdala uDJ Sbu. Abanye bayakhala bayam-advise uDJ Sbu ukuthi because kune video ke ya trend uDJ Sbu veza i-company like i-brand yakhe, yabo, ekhombisa this guy ukuthi this company i-owner like umuntu omnyama, like ekugqamisa kuveza ukuthi owner umuntu omnyama. And some people bathi why uDJ Sbu engenzanga nje like amane amphuzise like imofire this brand yakhe njengoba ephuza amanzi kade bekuvela leya video. Why kumele achaze ukuthi le product le ikanjani? It sounds like uDJ Sbu uzama advertise product yakhe, and okubefana kuleya video kubantu ukuthi like that guy akam-entertainanga uDJ Sbu umane wayiphuzela amanzi wayiyeka ilentuza i-energy drink yakhe le yabo. So mina ngifuna abafethu lento siyibuke kanje yabo. Oqala le genge ethi mudala akumele ngabe ulandelana nengane. You guys like anikhuli or angeke sikhule because sicabanga ukuthi ama opportunities aya ngokuthi umdala noma umncane yabo. Okunye guys ukuthi for you ukuthi brand yakho kuhlezi kukhulunywa ngayo kuhlezi like isematheni yabo. When you are making ama-videos about uDJ Sbu, you have ama negative comments about uDJ Sbu, but you don't realize ukuthi the more uba nama negative comments about i-brand yakhe kahle kahle uyayikhulisa i-brand yakhe yabo. When you might think like umnika ama-advice kani after that video yena maybe wa celebrate ukuthi le video le iyenzeke ngale ndlela abayiplane ngayo yabo. Because isikhathi esiningi thina guys simane angazi noma ngizothi siyasaba mfethu yabo. If uDJ Sbu benza into ekanje I think usifundisa into eziningi uDJ Sbu laphana, but thina I feel like sihlezi complain, sihlezi sifuna ukcriticize. Mina I feel like usifundisa izinto eziningi ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa ungakanani noma ngabe kuthiwa ubig kangakanani yabo, you must fight for your brand yabo. You must fight for igama lakho, you must fight mfethu. Ungene kuma township njengakanje yabo Soweto wenza izinto abantu like abayibona useless but uzenze wena because we understand wena ukuthi wenzani yabo. And as understand ukuthi the more sikhuluma ngalento is the more push brand yakhe yabo, because even uDJ Sbu igama it's a brand yabo. So if wena uleke ukukhuluma ngalo le gama like wena akukhulunywa ngawe yabo, siyakhohlwa wena, but le brand njengoba uleke ukukhuluma ngayo ayipheli like emehlweni abantu nasendlebeni zabantu, kuleke kukhulunywe ngayo yabo. So I think kuningi singakufunda yabo, yazi not lokho kuphela. Kufana nale ukuthi ama influencer kuthiwa bayawaziba but ayazama ukuthi aye kulo this guy ubani ayisho speed yabo. But into engingayi-understand guys ukuthi the reason why lama influencer lawa noma lama creators angisho njalo lama creators ethu elaye khona manje most yawo, it's because they were willing ukuthi enze izinto ezikanje. They were willing ukuthi ahlekwe yabo, benza izinto ezikanje vele before even like before uze bafike kulesigaba abakusona yabo. Abana nkinga nokuhlekwa yabo, so abana ndaba bona. If when uyabahleka ukuthi bagxumele umuntu omncane kanjena bafuna ukuthi bayigqamise like bona bagena basizakala bakhule ngako, wena urealize ukuthi kahle kahle bakufundisa ngale zinto abazenzayo ukuthi bona banankinga. Yazi ukuthi kungakhona i-creator eyenza like let's say this person mhlambe uzokwenza something bese niyamhleka ukuthi mhlambe umphoxile this guy, but the more nikhuluma ngaye this creator niyampusha yabo. Angithi usematheni nikhuluma ngaye, you guys don't realize ukuthi social media esikhathini samanje uhamba kanjani. And the more when uyitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuba umuntu ongafuni ukuthi mhlambe alandele izinto noma ongafuni oyitshela ukuthi some people phela yazi ukuthi the more you grow mhlambe ibrand yakhe ikhula, you think ukuthi mhlambe usufikile lapho yabo, bese uyitshela ukuthi ezinye izinto akusezona ezakho yabo. So sifunda okuningi kubantu abanjengo DJ Sbu because even ibrand yabo ikuphi but bayakwazi ukubona ukuthi just because ibrand yami la it doesn't mean sengifikile yabo. Ngisangakwazi ukuthi ngi-act njengomuntu oqalayo yabo. So I think it's si more ecomplaining kakhulu, si more ecriticizing kakhulu abantu than ukufunda kubona yabo. Anicabangisise kahle leyo nto.
Abaningi were like, "Hey, DJ Sbu, why is he lowering himself and being a tour guide for Uspidi? And what's up with Unota, Bizanana, and Jay, all these types of things. Uzile busy with 5 videos back to back and making fun of Abantu. I mean, the only thing I can think of, Uguti, can you imagine those kids? They stream lomfana lo Speed. Can you imagine ingane yasekasi that streams, that watches YouTube videos as Speed and nango Speed lanekas and uletho DJ Sbu? Can you imagine how awesome that must be? That ukuthi yena uyazi ukuthi mina ngiseke ngambona mina uSpeed live ngo-C kanjena. It is so easy to jump online, Zile. It is so easy and criticize when ayikho into izamile or oyenzile to show he is. We cannot take away the idea that ukuthi uSpeed is a big streamer and he's live streaming yonke into to umhlaba wonke. I mean, people from Qatar watch him, people from Pakistani watch him, people from everywhere emhlabeni, they watch this guy's streams. Indawo that you've never even thought of, in the Philippines, bayambukela stream sakhe. And DJ Sbu no Notha, round of applause, because what they did was the fact that ukuthi bamkhombise iSouth Africa eyiyo. Wahamba wayodla ukudla okulocal. What chiller with the locals, wadlala ibhola, wadlala idiski with the locals. And he also spina imoto. He was around. There is a child esekasi that saw uSpeed ngo-C. I know ukuthi kulula ukuthi uvele ugxeke and say what people should have done, what people shouldn't have done. But when I went Zangalut, I think sometimes it must feel in city, wow, what was really beautiful, it was really nice. And for abantu that are far, that are like abroad,
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. So kunebantu bebamqeka ku DJ Sbu ngokuthi aloka gijimisana na Speed, ayishow Speed lapha etinkundleni yokuxhumana simbone nje atrenda kakhulu. Ma video yakhe asabalele la zama nokumnika imofaya yakhe lo Speed wangayifunde imofaya wathi nathela amande. So people are saying ukuthi DJ Sbu umdzala volula kwentako wahamba gijimisana nebantwana wayangadi hloniphi. He's an old man, lekufanele anike respect ligama lakhe wayabheza gijimisana nalomvanyana. Yatenda i-Ice Boy yaSpeed. Bantu lapha etinkundleni yokuxhumana vele sebambita i-Ice Boy yaSpeed uDJ Sbu kanye naNotha. So uphendulile ke na clapping back at labantu labamkhuluma kabi nalabamgqeka lapha etinkundleni yokuxhumana. Uyasho ukuthi yena neteam yakhe they did great. Kuthi labanye abantu bathini akuthi shu nje la kubo akuthi shu. So labanye abantu bayamdefenda nabo ku DJ Sbu bayasho ukuthi uDJ Sbu na uzamile kuyiphakamisa South Africa. She was just trying to stand up for South Africa and nayo kushilo lokho ku live yakhe washo ukuthi uyakhona ku Speed and uyophakamisa iflag yase South Africa. But some people are saying yiphi flag utihlaza uyisana lomfana emikhukhwini ubongamisi nganti ukuthi enzawo leti right hambe yomfaka emikhukhwini lomfana. So abantu abaningi they are really dragging uDJ Sbu lapha etinkundleni yokuxhumana. What's your take wena nokuthi DJ Sbu ugijimise ayishow Speed? What's your take ngokuthi umise emkhukhwini? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.